Many are thinking, what the hell is he talking about when it's about DUOT? Yeah, DUOT technology is my newest stock pick, and we are extremely early because like a $400 million company. And today we're diving into the chart. Is it too late? Is it too early? Whatever, which levels to watch, everything about this here in this video.
Welcome to the game, I'm the Wolf of Dubai.
Welcome to a brand new video. My name is Danny. I'm the Wolf of Dubai. My subscribers, but even houses and apartments, watching me for 8+ years because I invested into Tesla when it was 23. Then it went to 11. I bought more, and then the rest is history. Not only for me, but for many, many other members of mine that are essentially also trading with me, right? xtendaytrading.com, where we trade for you all automatically, all done for you. And if you are interested, before we raising our joining fee, then check out the website, the first link in the description, the first link in the comments, and I see you on the other side, and we see if we can help you as well. You need at least $10,000 to start, but if you have that, we can trade for you, all done for you. So make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about the important clip that I'm presenting you right now. This is the chart analysis of DUOT. DUOT essentially the company that I figured out could be the next big thing. I even sent Leopold Aschenbrenner an email pitching this idea, as you can see here. So I'm very much invested into this company. So let's dive in which levels are to watch. Is it already too late? Did we went too high, too fast? All about this here in this video. Many have asked for the chart analysis for this beautiful company, DUOT Technology, ticker symbol DUOT, right? A very small company here with about like $441 million in market capitalization, okay? So you can see here, we obviously are quite oversold. So if you are expecting that this goes much higher, yes, it can, but be careful. Don't buy, options or short dated options, because that can go anywhere from another $10 to go half, right? Very volatile. But if you're in the long term, then you should be good. We had this overbought situations also here, but not that crazy like this crazy graph. And there is something going on, right? Okay. There is someone either positioning, or maybe the people just discovering this beautiful company. Okay. However, I think that we are like very, very early still, right? Because we can see that this company can scale. This company markets in a very niche and very power constrained market. The market looks for data centers, how to get data centers to the overall, quickly to the overall situation where we are essentially back on track, like demand and supply, because the supply is so low for data centers and takes so much time. And on the other side, you have so much demand, right? And that's why you see like this parabolic moves for this kind of small companies that could be the next runners, right? So you can see here, I think that interesting levels here are the following, okay? So if we break out here and we close above 15, then we can really run, right? So that's essentially all-time high. So, the sky is blue here. But if it should drop, areas to add could be 12, okay, which is essentially this area here. Then we could see something around 10 as well, okay. And then if it really should drop, then, around 9 is a nice level as well. So you can see here, those are the main levels here in the chart. I think that if you are going out here, like let's say 5 years or all, this is not correct here, okay? So they had like, they are already like 20+ years on the market, and they are, public since, or at least I have here only since 2015. But this was just before the, the stock split. So never mind that, that's not right calculated here. But if we are going back to today, you can see that there is a lot of buying happening here, okay? So If we're going back to the 5 minute chart, it's a very small stock, right? So you don't see like, tick by tick. And you can see here, for example, the 5 minute charts ends here, opens there, goes there, like you see that purchase is going on every now and here, but you see the volumes are here spiking, especially here you can see here towards the end of the day, people are selling, or yesterday at least. And then, we open even lower here at 13.58 and growed about like $1 just today, right? So you can see here it's still very much a volatile stock, but I think if it would drop to 12, that would be another interesting area to load up. If it goes higher, then I think it need to break and close above this recent high that we had on Wednesday, which was essentially here 15.08. Okay, so once we break out through there, we could see maybe 17, maybe 18, 19, 20 fast, right? So as you can see, the company essentially makes move of 8 to 10 to 12, 15% per day. Obviously, the market is also quite hot. As you can see here, the Nasdaq is nicely going up, but that's essentially the situation here. And I think that we are pretty much in an area where I wouldn't say that it's too hot, but it's getting a little bit extreme with the overall buying, right? But that's normal. Like that can be guys, the market can be irrational longer than you have money. If you are shorting something like this, you can get burned dramatically, right? So I wouldn't short this kind of technology. We have also maybe some new news coming out after they visited the the conference with institutional investors. So maybe we get like a lot of analysts now covering the stock, especially when we are essentially going here in terms of news effects, okay, on the stock. So yeah, let me know what you think, or I see you back in the vlog. So as you can see, we are very overbought, but still interesting levels to watch. Make sure to check out xnDayTrading.com and see you tomorrow for a brand new DUOT video, and share this video to everyone who is interested in AI to be early on something before it goes up. And I see you tomorrow because the grass is greener always on the other side.